Hi, I'm Karen, your chef for the day, and our menu is red beef curry Cambodia. The ingredients are peanuts, potatoes, sprout beans, red curry Cambodia, and beef. Heat the curry sauce and add the meat. Potatoes and simmer for 20 to 30 minutes or until the meat and the potatoes are done.